Myself Naveen Kumar Chaudhary. Today I want to discuss about the chapter number 11, Transportation in Animals and Plants, Subject Science, Class 7, Day 2. Yesterday it was discussed about the blood, types of blood, and today I want to discuss the blood vessels. The blood vessels are a kind of tubes or pipes through which the blood flows. There are three types of blood vessels. These are the arteries, veins, and capillaries. Number one, arteries. Arteries are the blood vessels from the heart to various parts of the body. It carry oxygen-rich blood. The arteries have thick and elastic muscular walls. Because the blood flow is rapid and at high pressure, the arteries lie quite deep under our skin and hence they are not easily seen. Number two is the veins. Veins are the blood vessels that carry blood from all the parts of the body back to the heart. All veins carry carbon dioxide rich blood. The veins have thin and less elastic muscular walls because the blood flow is not rapid and at low pressure. Third is the capillaries. Capillaries are extremely thin blood vessels which connect arteries to veins. Through the thin walls of the capillaries, exchange of materials take place. The useful substances like food and oxygen present in the blood pass into the body cells through the capillaries. The waste products like carbon dioxide formed in the body cells enter the blood through the thin walls of capillaries. You can see in this figure 11.4 exchange of materials in the blood capillaries, and here is a table is given 11.2 differences between arteries and veins. The parameters of arteries and veins, the direction of blood flows. Arteries carry blood from the heart to various parts of the body, and veins carry blood from different body parts to the heart. And nature of blood, arteries carry oxygen-rich blood and veins carry carbon dioxide-rich blood. Flow of blood. In arteries, blood flows at a high speed and high pressure, and in the veins, it flows at a low speed and low pressure. Walls. The walls are thick and elastic of arteries, and the walls of veins are thin and less elastic. Valves. In the arteries, valves are absent, but in veins, valves are present. And last, the position in the body. Arteries are deeply seated, but veins are not deeply seated. In the activity number 1, to calculate the pulse rate, The number of beats per minute is called the pulse rate. For a normal healthy person, it is between 72 and 80 beats per minute. That's all.